Hello guys, welcome to another awesome video. I still Mohammed Chukablago, and in today's video I want to give you guys an update on what I've learned about Pink Nation, okay? Sorry, Pinkoin or Ink Nation. Alright, so right now the wallet or the back office is under maintenance as I have heard, and it's been under maintenance for a week going to 2 weeks now, and you can see that from how confusing the back end is, from the transactions you're seeing here to the amount that I'm receiving. Even I have people who say they have made payment to me, but I'm yet to receive them. Okay, I'm yet to receive them in my account, and it doesn't even enter instantly. So I'm wondering why the delay, what's causing the delay. Should people not do transactions with the accounts right now till the maintenance is over? All these questions are yet to be answered. So but I believe that the maintenance will be over very soon. Okay, that the maintenance will be over very soon, so that those who want to swap their Pinkoin for TST can do so. Okay, that they can do so. But right now the back end is messed up. There's delay in transaction reflecting, and this is not really encouraging for those who want to join new. I myself, I want to verify my account using my BVN so that I can upgrade to an exchanger status, but I can't do that right now because of the ongoing maintenance. Okay, I just wish that all these things are done smoothly and swiftly. Okay, and also proper update given so that people know actually what kind of update you guys are doing. But I'll try my very best to find out what time frame the maintenance will be over, so that this transaction will be swift and instant, so that you don't have to send Pinkoin to me and you're waiting more than 24 hours, or even waiting within 24 hours to receive it. This is cryptocurrency, for Christ's sake. We're talking about instant confirmation. Okay, anyways, I believe whatever update they are doing is in good faith, so let's keep hoping that they get this over with. Okay, all right guys, that's it for this video. Before I go, all you see here in my spendable and DRC balance are the ones that were sent to me, apart from the initial 18,000, which is 10% of my monthly salary, which is 180,000. Okay, so 10% is what I received in the spendable balance, but every other thing added here, or you see here, when you subtract the 18,000, is Pinkoin that I received from people who swapped Pinkoin for TST. Okay, all right, so I just wanted to clear that out because most of you guys might be wondering how come I'm having this balance. Also, in my DRCB balance, I believe that this is a payment from somebody. I think he used the DRCB balance to send the payment. Okay, but anyways, that's it for this video. I want to thank you guys for watching, and most importantly, okay, if you are looking to have Pinkoin, okay, contact me. I can sell to you at a good rate, but the most important thing is I pray that the wallet is stable and everything is stable, so that transactions move swiftly. Okay, once it moves swiftly, I will advertise for the rate at which I will sell my Pinkoin. Okay, all right guys, that's it for this video. I want to thank you guys for watching. Until I see you guys next time, take care. Bye for now.